Hi everybody, this is Jill. Thank you for coming into my kitchen today for a vegan grocery haul. And it really is. It's lots of wonderful fresh vegetables. No fruit, but some fresh vegetables. So we went to this great place that we love in the area where we live, and they have just the most amazing local produce. And in summertime, it's just like crazy for good stuff to eat there. So I'm going to have the director come down, and it's going to be a little haphazard, but we'll get it together. So what I first of all have got are these two gorgeous heads or bunches of kale, which just, I love that kale, so I'm really happy I got those. And then I got some spinach. This is parsley. And then I got these cute, they're calling these Shanghai bok choy. And there's 6 of them in here. Look at that, six little heads. And I'll bring one out because I haven't really had a chance to look at them, but they just look adorable in there. There we go. Oh yeah, look at that, just in the palm of my hand. And I'm going to cut these in half, and I'm going to pan fry those with some garlic and a little olive oil, and those are going to be delicious because I am doing a teriyaki soy curl tonight, and that's going to be our side vegetable. And I got a couple of nice little heads of shallots. And 3 beautiful heads. Look at this of garlic. And oh, it smells so fresh and so delicious. And I got 4 beautiful yellow onions. And all of this is local, all of it. I think I'm trying to look to see if there's anything here that is not locally grown. 2 enormous, beautiful cucumbers. Beautiful. Those were 79 cents a piece. And what's nice about this place is they will cut heads of cabbage. 1 whole head is just impossible for us, and I wanted to do some coleslaw. 4th of July is coming up, so I wanted to do a coleslaw. So I've got enough there for that. And then 3 lovely, again, locally grown zucchini. Very nice, very fresh. And that's what's so nice when you get stuff that is, of course, locally grown. It's, look at that, isn't that beautiful? And then I picked up some more jalapeno peppers because I did, if you'll recall, in fact, I'll leave a link, I did refrigerator dill pickles. On camera I did those, which I'll leave a link for. But I did same thing with jalapeno peppers. So they were pickled refrigerator jalapenos, and they are so dynamite. Excellent, good, that we picked up a whole nother pound of jalapenos, and I'm going to make some more. And so you pop those again. Those are beautiful, fresh, local. Here are, look at this basket of beautiful cherry tomatoes, just luscious. They look so fresh and so sweet and delicious. Can't wait. Got a nice big bunch of fresh green onions. Just again, I think those were 79 cents. 2 sweet little ears of corn. I did corn on the cob roasted in my air fryer, and it turned out so great that we can't wait to do it again. It was so good. And I am looking here, and I believe that's okay, so all of this good stuff, which now I have to wash and find a place to put in my refrigerator, but I can't wait. So that's going to be a happy chore. It was $24.06.
4 cents.
4 cents. This is him. This is why he's the money guy in the family. $24.04. No. Yes?
Yes.
$24.04. And we did really great. And this is going to be a lot of good food for us. And we'll eat on this for a week, and they probably have to go back. Anyway, we thought you'd like to see the haul for the day, and we hope all is well with you. And I'll see you next time. Take care. Bye.